As parents, ensuring your baby's safety and well-being is always a top priority. Smart baby monitors have revolutionized how we care for our little ones, offering real-time insights and peace of mind. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 smart baby monitors that combine advanced technology with parent-friendly features. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful parenting tech tips. The Nanit Pro stands out with its HD camera, sleep tracking, and breathing monitoring. Its app offers personalized sleep coaching tips, making it more than just a monitor. The wall-mounted camera provides a clear bird's-eye view of your baby's crib. For parents wanting data-driven insights and top-tier quality, the Nanit Pro is a must-have. The Owlet Dream Duo includes a smart sock and HD video monitor. The sock tracks heart rate and oxygen levels, sending alerts to your phone if anything is amiss. Combined with its sleek design and detailed sleep reports, this monitor is perfect for health-conscious parents. With its contact-free monitoring, the Miku Pro uses advanced sensors to track breathing, sleep, and movement. It doesn't require wearables, which is great for babies who don't like extra gear. Plus, its military-grade encryption ensures your family's privacy. The Motorola Halo Plus offers a unique design that attaches directly to the crib. Its soothing light show and lullabies help calm your baby to sleep. With a two-way audio feature and a parent-friendly app, this monitor is both practical and engaging. The Arlo Baby Monitor combines adorable design with functionality. It features night vision, air quality sensors, and a customizable app. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with smart home devices, giving you peace of mind with a touch of tech-savvy convenience. Choosing the right smart baby monitor depends on your family's needs. Whether it's breathing tracking, HD video, or sleep insights, these top 5 monitors offer cutting-edge solutions to keep your baby safe and happy. Which of these monitors do you think is the best fit for your family? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more parenting tech reviews and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.